Dear providers of funds and partners, many of you are concerned about the unstable operation of the back office. I also consider solving this problem as high priority as possible. We see all your questions about the work of the service. We appreciate all partners who mention the incidents that have arisen and provide technical support with specifics on failures of the back office. Unfortunately, some technical issues are indeed available at the moment, but they are solvable. We fully share your concerns, so we decided to record a separate appeal to clarify everything. Technical glitches are directly related to our increased popularity and long existence. We have been in the market for over 9 years. This is also due to the annual growth in the number of partners in our community, which currently numbers over 600,000 worldwide, and we are approaching more impressive numbers. At some point, the system could not cope with such a large influx of investors, an abundance of new features, tools, and services within our personal account, especially during the peak launch period of the stocks we launched for you. It was impossible to foresee the exact date when the issues would occur, but we predicted such a scenario in advance, and even before the incidents occurred, we started developing a new, ultra-modern, high-performance and secure back office based on international standards. It's good that the flaws have come to light now, rather than when the launch of the first commercial project was announced. When the stable development of the project of string transport becomes inevitable and as obvious as possible for everyone, the risks of participation in it will be significantly reduced, and a huge mass of new people will be interested in our direction. Then the number of potential partners can reach tens of thousands of people a day. If we had experienced a technical failure in the run-up to the launch of our first commercial project, the consequences would have been enormous. Such, though rare, temporary difficulties harden us, make us better, and prepare us for further scaling with absolute confidence in achieving the necessary results. The difficulties encountered are not global in nature, they are temporary. Issues can arise where we don't expect them to. We predicted that the volume of technical tasks of our IT infrastructure would increase, but we didn't know exactly when this moment would come. We could not and cannot stop work now even for 24 hours, especially during promotions. Let's remember that you and I have taken responsibility for funding string technology of Anatoly Eduardovich Unitsky for further near-term commercialization and the beginning of profits for all providers of funds. Now we are at the finish line. We have no other way but to improve our IT infrastructure and continue our fundraising efforts. For our part, we are doing everything we can to restore the work of the back office in record time and to switch to the new IT infrastructure of the back office in the nearest future.
SWC management had previously realized that a complete overhaul of the back office system would be required, which is now underway. In a rapidly changing reality, we are always proactive because there is no other way in our business. The new back office is already being created. I repeat that we started preparations even before any unpleasant situations arose. 2 teams of programmers and subject matter experts are working on it in parallel. In fact, new versions of the updated, optimized back office are released several times a week to resolve issues that arise. This 24-hour teamwork mode will continue until each provider of funds and partner has fully migrated to the new back office. Now we have managed to find the most efficient solution to troubleshoot issues related to transaction doubles, certificate downloads, long requests, payments, transfers within the back office, and other temporary difficulties. Please notify our technical support of any problems or difficulties that arise. The SWC team is working for you. For faster restoration of correct work of the back office, a second team of developers was connected, which is focused on solving such system errors. The changes can be seen already now. The final result of the work performed can be observed only after the full transition to the new back office. This will occur in the late third to early fourth quarter of 2024. A separate, carefully selected professional team with vast experience works on this complex task on a daily basis. The main task, the solution of which is prioritized at the moment, is the correct functioning of the back office in the following categories: user registration and verification, banking, account replenishment via payment account, and swift execution of all transactions, in particular auto payment for share package and lot in installments, bonus for invited provider of funds, reinstatement of package and lot installments, payment for package in installments, for share package, for lot in installments, and for lot with the amount of financing, purchase of share packages, refund of installment payments, profit from structure, additional shares by administrator, early closing of installments, and transfer of funds between users. These modules will be monitored, optimized, and improved by a separate outsourced team until the full transition to the new back office. Our IT team, information and technical support departments are dedicated and do their best to answer all your queries, solve your every problem. A huge number of queries are resolved manually by the team. Everyone is as focused as possible on establishing system stability. The company's internal team is working on the SWC 2.0 project. Its implementation will completely change not only the functionality of the back office, but will also allow you to quickly solve many issues within the system in a simplified form. We are preparing serious updates to the functionality of the back office, which I hope each of you will be satisfied with. We will have a fundamentally new, flexible, adaptable microservices-based system and greatly increase the system's capacity for our deep global development within countries. We can say that the new back office will become our corporate modern house with a strong foundation, first of all in the form of your support and understanding. We expect the result between the end of the third quarter and the beginning of the fourth quarter of 2024. Our ultimate goal is to ensure your financial and information security, to give you a positive user experience. We thank you for your support and trust. I am confident that you and I will get through these temporary difficulties with dignity. Where others stop doubt, we grow, develop, become more united, and only get stronger. After all that has happened over the years, our ship has shown how resilient it is and ready to handle any load. We are clear about where we are going and how we will achieve all of our goals. This storm will pass and the sun will surely come out.